Once you import line work from Rhino or AutoCAD, a lot of times you'll have situations that happen that look like this. And this is happening because you have lines that are actually separate from one another. So here you have a join line and you see that the corners are nice and even and straight. But here you're actually getting a situation where, because you have two lines that are coming into one another, and you have line types that end like this, they're creating a problem for you. So there's a couple of different options. So the first thing we're going to do is we're just going to go over sort of line end types. So the first one that we have is called a butt cap. So this is going to end the line with a straight line at the end of your curve. We have a circular one, so this is a round cap. And then we also have a projecting cap. So a projecting cap will actually extend your line slightly beyond the end of your actual line that you've drawn. And then as you change your stroke, it will also change the amount that you're projecting. So you're projecting by basically the radius of your line type. So there's a couple of different ways to fix this. So here, if we go in and look at both of these curves and we do a projecting cap, technically this will actually extend both of those lines the amount that they need to account for that little the little caret that's out of the corner of it. If we do round, it'll obviously make a little rounded one, and if we do butt, by default it'll leave that chunk at the corner. Now this is one way to sort of cheat the system a little bit. What I would recommend doing is going into these two curves, going to object, path, and then join. And if you join those together, that will actually make it, and let's actually go through and we can select all four of those. We can do a path and then a join, and then all of our corners will actually be joined again. So if we go in here, we can also change the way that our corners are rounded. So these are caps for single lines, and then these are caps for joined lines. So you can also change here where you're aligning your stroke. So you can either align your stroke to the inside, to the center, or to the outside. So those are a few different sort of tips and tricks in case a lot of your lines come in and don't look as clean as you want, so look sort of like this, and you want to clean a little bit of that up.